start off with the bottom ring, which is the oil control ring. These are cord rings. It has a device in the centre here. It stops the oil from coming past the ring. So we put this on first. This has got an expander in it, somewhere around here. I will show you. There we go, on the rail. So we just open it up on the rail. We slip that over, find the groove, and close that back up. Now this ring, we're looking for a mark, top or bottom. This one is the same, but we'll check on those, you'll find that those will show you top. We just slide this over. There's a groove in the centre of this ring for that special device to sit in. Not quite there. There you go, that one's in. So that's the bottom ring, oil control ring. Next we fit we need the second ring. Now when you get a packet, it does show you sometimes a reference. This shows you like a groove of the piston. Well, this one now shows you the second one. Always do it in order. Now on the ring, it's marked. There's a mark up here, top. It's so easy to grab a ring, stick it on, think, I didn't check to see if it was top or bottom, but top. That's tapered normally, there's a taper. So we slip this on, you don't need to use oil. Slip it on, don't pull it out too far. That one's in. Top ring has another mark. It doesn't say top on this, but has a little symbol. Just open that out. There you go.